Hi there, welcome back to Optum Community Centers. My name is Colette Norton, and today I have a treat for you. Joining me are Tamika, Strickland, and Yvonne Morales. What do you have in store for us today?
Thank you, Colette. So today I will be making a crunchy cucumber, carrot, celery salad.
Oh wow, that's a mouthful. I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, let's get started. We'll start with 3 cups of carrot. Half a cup of cucumbers. Half a cup of celery. We have here fresh dill, parsley, and mint. We'll do half a cup of fresh dill and parsley, and then 1/4 cup of fresh mint. On this bowl here, we're gonna make the lemon vinaigrette dressing. We have 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then half of a lemon, just the juice, and then 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And then half a teaspoon of maple syrup. And then we'll do half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we'll just add salt and pepper to taste. Now, carrots are a great source of micronutrients. They contain vitamins A, K, and C. We'll go ahead and mix this together.
So what are the great benefits of eating this salad?
Yeah, great question. So celery and carrots are both full of a lot of water, 95%, so a good hydrating source for you. They're also full of vitamin K and C, which is good with lowering blood pressure, and it also helps with lowering the risk of heart disease. Vitamin A is also in this as well, which helps with vision and immunity. This salad can also be paired with some grilled chicken for added protein. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more healthy nutritional videos for a more healthier you.